Good morning, everyone. It's Hallam Hope here in always sunny Barbados. It's a Saturday morning, June 13th, and today I want to share my opinions, my views, just my personal thoughts, and maybe anything that might be a little entertaining for you on investing and trading in Bitcoin. And we're today talking about our 100% success winning trading plan. Now, a lot of what I'm going to say is very, very contrarian. I'm a very contrarian person, and I want to make it absolutely clear that we're not giving you any financial or investment advice. Do not take anything I say and go and trade and buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a very volatile commodity, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose money. And I'm not here to give you any advice. I'm simply here to provide some education to our team members and prospective students and pending students in terms of what I see, what I have done, and what appears to have worked for me. To date, we have started trading, investing in Bitcoin, again, renewing this process we started in around the middle of October 2017, and we've been studying this market, studying the development, studying the trends, studying technical analysis every single day since the middle of October 2017, and we have arrived at what we think is a workable plan where you can earn and invest, trade, and make 100% success rewards and earnings from your investment. But this is just my opinion. This is just my experience. You're not to go and take my information and use it simply because you heard me saying so. Okay. So we began trading again seriously back in May this year, May 2020. Yeah. And today we're up 2.78% net, excluding any fees, trading Bitcoin on the Binance trading platform. All right. Now, I've studied a little economics at undergraduate and postgraduate level, and therefore, I think we should look at trading and investing in terms of returns and in terms of inflation. Now, the last time I checked, global inflation was running at about 3%. So we're making on average 2.78%, which is below the global inflation rate. We want to break even at around 3% and then go even higher, go much higher in terms of our average earnings and winning trades, yeah, because we want to be able to be higher than the inflation rate, yeah. So our plan essentially is based on patience. We trade Bitcoin, we invest in Bitcoin, and we adopt a model. What I've done is a model of patience. We also apply what we see as common sense. Yes, we have gained a lot of experience in the more than 2.5 years of studying and analyzing this space every single day, and we apply some of that experience as well. And what we're essentially saying is that yes, you can, regardless of whether you're 8 or you're 80, or regards to whether you have just $100 or $1,000 or 50,000 US dollars, you can make winning trades and every time you trade, and that you can achieve 100%. Now, everybody will tell you 90% or 99% of the world will tell you, oh, Hallam, you're absolutely wrong. You have to make losses, that you're talking absolute nonsense. And we're saying that as of June the 13th, from the trades that we have done, we have achieved 100%. And we believe that 100% trades is very doable, regardless of whether you just want to wet your feet and getting with say 100 or 200 US dollars, or whether you want to trade and invest 1,200 US dollars, or when you want to go up to as much as 50,000 US dollars, because obviously the more money you have to put in, the more you will gain, the more potential you have to lose. But if you can in fact come across a 100% winning trade plan, then it's possible that you will do quite well. Now, I want to make it very clear that for beginners, we are not doing leverage trading. So we are not betting against the market falling. Leverage trading is when you anticipate that the market will plunge below the current price, and therefore you put in a sell order. You are supposed to use stop losses and things like that, so that you don't lose too much money, and then you will trade with leverage at anywhere from 5x. So if you're on Binance, you can go all the way up to 125x. Okay, and I know for a fact, I know of one individual who I know for a fact he has lost money and he's gotten out of leveraging and trading like that. We don't do leverage trading. We trade on longs. In other words, we adopt the model of buy low, sell high. Okay, buy low, sell high. And if the market is going lower, we buy some more and we wait for the rebound and we sell high. Okay, so we trade only on longs. We do not trade on we do not use leverage trading, which is when you bet against the market to fall, and you predict it will fall, and you make 5 times, 100 times more your profits, and you smile all the way to the bank. We are absolutely sure that there are many persons who have lost all of their money and have been wiped out using leverage trading. So we believe in patience, and we believe in taking time. We're not too much focused on trying to get rich quickly. We believe that in time, once you follow the 100% strategy and plan, that you will make money consistently. The other thing is that we adopt compound interest, and you should read up on Einstein and his theory, the eighth wonder of the world. And compound interest is essentially you do not take your profits, you reinvest your profits, so that if you've invested $100 and you made 10% on that, and you've got now $110, instead of taking out that $10, you reinvest $110, so that you have more money to trade and invest with. As time progresses and as you make more profits, then you reinvest and you invest, and that way you can make more money. It's what Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest, and it's something that we need to teach to our children. So regardless of whether you're 8 or whether you're 80, we believe that we have a simple plan that uses, buy low, sell high. It adopts an understanding of support and resistance levels. It calls for a lot of education. It calls for a lot of training. But this is just my own opinions. This is just my own experiences. I am not saying that you should believe what I'm saying. I'm telling you, go and do your own research. Don't be influenced by what I'm saying. I am merely sharing my own experiences and my own personal opinions. So at Caritel Blockchain team, we are here to educate young people, as I said, from 8, and if you're as young as 80, we're here to educate you in terms of investing and trading, because the world is changing. People are not making a lot of money. The bank rate is under 1%. Inflation is 3% or even higher. So it obviously is very clear that if you keep your money stashed away on a bank, then you're essentially burning that money, because inflation will eat it away. I'm not saying that banks are not very valuable and important. I'm not saying you shouldn't have money on the bank. You have to pay your bills. You have your commitments. You have your other investment plans. The 100% winning trading strategy that we adopt at CBT is something that could be a portion of your strategy and your plan for financial health and wealth. So this is Hallam. I'm signing off. I want to thank you for listening to this video. As I said, you can always find us. We are on Twitter. It's at Hallam, HALLAM _hope, HOPE. Or you can find us on Gmail. It's hallamhope@gmail.com, HALLAM HOPE, one word, @gmail.com. We're also on LinkedIn. You'll find us on YouTube, and we are virtually all over the social media space, because we are marketing consultants, and we do believe that you have to start marketing by promoting yourself, looking at yourself, building up your own image, and getting known out there in the market. So thank you so very much for listening to this video and podcast. Wish you all the best and happy trading in the foreseeable future.